How to survive an earthquake. There are 6 ways to survive, but let us first find out what to do before the earthquake. The first way is to watch the news if there are any earthquakes happening or not, then prepare an emergency kit that will help you survive. After that, when during an earthquake, drop, cover and hold. And go outside of your house or a building. After the earthquake has stopped, check damages caused by the earthquake and leave your house or a building if necessary. These are the ways to survive an earthquake, and it is very easy to follow when trying to be safe.